What is a 212 refusal when you're applying for a TN visa? All right, often applicants will get confused when they get refused on a TN visa application, particularly when they went to a consulate appointment or presented their TN paperwork at the border. Now, oftentimes U.S. government officials will not give an applicant the complete reason for a TN denial. Officers are pretty notorious for providing only limited information about why a visa is denied. Okay, now that being said, there are generally two reasons a TN visa will be denied under this regulation. The first of which is because they think you are intending to immigrate to the United States or remain in the United States after your visa ends. Now you have to remember that TN visa has a non-immigrant status intent, which means that you are in the United States for a temporary period of time. And they want to know that you will retain your ties to your home country and that you intend to return back to your home country at the end of your visa. Now, if an officer thinks that you don't have strong enough ties to Canada or Mexico, they can simply refuse your application. Okay, this is a very common reason for denial. The other most common reason is number two, you simply don't have sufficient or the correct documentation in your TN paperwork. Maybe your support letter didn't prove that you qualified for a TN, or you forgot to bring your original degree with you to the appointment. Maybe your employer didn't sign the support letter. There's a lot of reasons TN paperwork can be found lacking by an officer. The good news is that both of these reasons for denial are curable. If you were denied for reason number one, insufficient ties to your home country, you would simply return to a port of entry or a consulate appointment with additional documentation and present them with your application. Maybe you bring proof that you own a house in Mexico, or maybe you bring bank statements in your home country as well. That helps to provide proof that you intend to go back to your home country at the end of the visa application. Now, there's a long list of documents that you can use to overcome this deficiency. All right. Now, if you were refused under the second reason, like forgetting to bring your original degree, well, then you would simply return with the original document and cure the problem that way, so that you could then get the visa. So there you have it, the two most common reasons for TN denial under 212 and how you can overcome the issues in your next application. If you need help with your TN visa and would like to speak with one of our attorneys, please give us a call.